Hi, my name is Tejendra with the student ID 200476777, and here's my code. I'm trying to run this. When I run IIS Express through Google Chrome, it would take me to a page of localhost. When I try to enter to the path home secret, it would lead me to a login page where I should provide my credentials. This would be stored, taken back into the API, and the API I have used when I try to copy this path and paste it in the Postman. It would give me a connection access saying it's okay. That says that I'm successfully connected, and we get an output in the form as HTML, which was used to build a login page back in the Chrome. When I try to enter this, see this. So, and the API I have used is client server based API, which will be having two ends, client side and the client side and the server side, where server has the ability to manipulate the data, and where a client could be able to provide the information that has to be taken under the security policies. The security policies I have used here would be under the level 3, where you would be given in the form of cookies for authorization. If you forget, a cookie would appear saying giving you the instructions, giving you the instructions. And I would use open authorization, that shortens as OAuth, which would be able to easily accessible from outside. It would provide you a third-party interface where you could be able to connect to the API from the browsers, and your information, whichever the information you are going to enter, or else whichever the information that has been taken into consideration while building the code would be stored, so that you would be having an access to enter into the path through the URL, and you'll be finding the things you would want to see. And unfortunately, I couldn't go furthermore. I have gone through all the 20, not just 10 videos. I have gone on until 20 videos, and I don't know why I was unable to build a page where it could lead to my data set as a path. I guess I would need even more experience while building API to make it a successful go in the future. Thank you.